It's much easier to get it bigger because it's 5 times the loudness. You can even, if I want to check it out, next to loudness here, there's a little check box. If I check it, I don't know if you can see that. Well, you see that monitor, the number goes up as I talk. So you can see how loud it is. It goes from 0 to 100. So most things in Scratch go 0 to 100. So that's one thing you can do is experiment with loudness. There's also a new feature using the camera. Now, I'm not sure if all of you have cameras on your computers. Let me just show you an example of, if you have a camera, here's one of the new things that you can do. Oops. So here's a project that says, and you can see I have a picture of myself, and notice if I hit the red balloons, the balloons pop. I can push the blue balloons. So it's all like, there are a lot of games these days, like Microsoft Connect, where you can interact by moving your body. But you just can play other people's games. We want to let everybody make games, sort of like Microsoft Connect games, but they make yourself. So here's one, I just pop the balloons, or move the balloons. And once I put this online in the prototype area, and we have some testers, and like they went, so here's what someone else made, a remix. They took my code, and they made a game based on it. So I can move this character with my hand. Oh, I can't hit the walls. Oh, but when it hits the walls, it bounces back. So again, you can make things where you can move things around, and then they can hit obstacles. So again, we really want to try to make it easier for you to connect to things in that way. Let me show you a little bit how this is done, and then you can experiment with it. When I see inside, here's the commands for, actually I'm going to